So hello guys, I'm Renault Megane 2 and this time I removed this box just because I wanted to replace my filter. I did it for saloon, but more or less you can see everywhere dripping the water from air conditioner. This is wet and often this gets full with water, so this is quite a major problem. So there are two solutions how to clean the drain. One is from below and second, more easier for everyone, you can do it from above. You can see this black piece, I think this is connected to my drain system, so I will try to clean it from above, and most probably you just need to remove this little plastic piece. It's easy to do, and I will use some sort of regular wire with inside cable, and I will try to put it inward and then try to do like this and get out dirt. Hope it will work, we'll see. More or less I don't have much options. Been like for many years, and this year it's really hot, so I want just to fix this problem and we'll see how it will go on. So I'll try to slip in some sort of round tool, probably will help. So if you go under here, you will just get to the tube, so you have to go through here and there. I'll try to slide this one. Okay, now I kind of feel it. Alright, I'm somewhere close to. Okay, cut this end so it doesn't look that sharp anymore. Probably it's still sharp, but not that much. So what I think I will do, I have another spinner next to it, so a bigger hole there, and I can insert this cable here between these two. Probably this is not the best method, but my car is pretty old and outside is pretty hot, so I cannot get down there now. So what I'll do, I'll try to bend this inward and just try to get it through. If you will get through it, you're very lucky, and then you can a little bit move up and down to see it moves. And it's full with dirt. I even don't need to see, it's kind of dirty everywhere. Okay, I'll try to get this one inside car to film and try to get it in, but more or less you just try to get through there with your cleaning tool. Probably have a better one, not that sharp and not that metally one. After a little try, here's my solution. So you bend a little hook here, straighten this as you can, and then go through these little keys there, but don't go like that, but go like horizontally with angle, and then when you're here, rotate it and then try to push it through. Easy at all. Well, you see, pretty much clogged up with all sorts of dirt, so it's good that I try to get there in. If you don't want to poke through there, I suggest you to bend top of this wiring like that. Just try to keep going till I will succeed, because I need air conditioner running full speed. Honest, has been really hard to get this one in, so to get that one inside there, it's been real struggle, more or less, but the line goes like that, so I hope this is moving pretty freely. It's enough for me. Oh man, that's how far I got, and then it just started to bend. That's funny. Oh, let's see if I manage to fix the problem down below there. I'm turning. See, there's wet here, so it means kind of fills through the water when I'm driving. and that's alright. Well, the second option is how to clean air conditioner. As you see, there is some little leakage here and there, a little bit of water, so you need to get under here, and there is a little draining hole. To get there, you have to remove this cover, which is kind of stuck here. So just for the video purpose, I'm just unload this one. It's really easy opens, at least for me. Probably might be harder for you. Who knows what situation is this? You see some are missing, some are bent. I'll not lose this one. You remove these little two ones. You can kind of bend this one if you wish, as I did it. And hard to say. Probably you won't see that good. I hope. Yep, you can see. Under there is the pipe. You should put in some wiring and try to move the dirt out from bottom to down, bottom to bottom, or whatever else. Just, yeah, this is the other place where air conditioning leaks out, and if it's clogged up, it will leak inside the car. So, one option, if you can get under the car, try to get there. Be hard because, yep, it won't be easy to get there inside from both sides. So choose where you want, but more or less, as you see, mine was dripping, so it's good sign. Kind of clean from bottom something, but probably not enough. So I'll just a little bit dip in the wire there and see what's going on. Just get in there and dig it out those dirt. And you see quite a bit leaking outside now. Okay, I'll just take this out now. See if there were any dirt. See, something came out, so probably not too much. You can probably have to go deeper if nothing comes out, especially water. So I'm back with Renault Megane, and AC is running nice and cold, and the water is not dripping anymore there. Everything here is nice and dry, so overall kind of fixed the problem. I kind of just had to little bit get through the dirt, and from bottom and top. I don't know if both sides was okay that I did it, or only would be enough just from top, because even after I cleaned it from top, kind of already gave some water clearance down there, but when I kind of went down there, I think I had some problems as well with the lower cup, and it didn't open fully, and some water was trapped there as well in the drain line. But overall now it's just all dripping out of the car, and it's nice that it's not anymore going inside in the car. So if you're wondering where is the drain plug, where is AC drain this line and how to clean it, well, the correct way would be going from bottom to top, but since it's really hard to get there, kind of works as well if you do like I did. I'm not sure how long it will last, probably just one summer, maybe two, we'll see, but overall it's possible and doesn't require too many tools, as you've seen. Just some really elastic hands and movements and whatever else, because it is hard to access there. And if you have some sort of cleaning tool, snakish one, where you can actually get it better in there, good for you. But as well, as you see, I cleaned it just with cable and it kind of worked. So thanks for watching, and I hope I could help you, and goodbye.